Hi guys, welcome back to Mrs. Blux, L-I-F-E. I am Sarita, and this is a special reveal, unboxing. I don't know what you want to call it, but as soon as I got home, I said, well, let me show y'all, because this item is all because Sharon, from Sharon the Thick of This, I think it's called. I'm gonna put Sharon's page down below. Y'all go and follow her. But Sharon texted me and said, run, Dillard's had something that we all been looking for. I ran. Thank you, Sharon. I did pick up in store literally 2 days ago. She texted me yesterday asking did I get like my shipping confirmation. I had mine, just still said processing. Now on Dillard's, I think you got to spend $150 to get free shipping. This item was $55. Pick up in store, please. Please, please. And that was free, curbside at that. Let me show y'all what I got, because this is going to be perfection on my bag. Oh, put it that way. Isn't that cute? Like, wait. You don't even know what it is, huh? Y'all see what it is? It is the large, extra large hang tag. How do you open this? Okay, let me do it this way, because I don't know. But it's the large, the extra large. Let me just stop saying large. The extra large hang tag in maple. OMG. I finally have one. Last year when we were in Vegas, I think a month before that, it just came out. They were sold out. I was searching for it since last year. Never was able to get it. And Dillard's has been, did I put it? Yeah, that way. Dillard's has been having them. I don't know how they have in stock, but y'all, look at this. Oh, God. Okay, how does that come out? Okay. Look at this. Do y'all see that? O-M to the G. Like, so I'm trying to see what I'm going to put on this side, and I'm excited. It's $55. I'll put my link below for y'all to do my, I think it's my shop my link. It'll be below. You can click it and see if it's still available, and you can go and get you a tag too. But I think this is going to be perfect on a couple of my bags. I cannot wait to put them on. This is so sturdy. Look at that. Thank you again, Sharon. And oh, thank y'all ladies for letting me know. I finally have an extra large tag. Like, perfection. Okay, that's all. What I do have something else, so y'all might see something else on this video. It's another bag charm item, but it's not a charm. You'll get it when you see. You'll get it when you see. Okay, guys, so I told y'all that I had something else coming. It has arrived. It has arrived. So let's open it. Now this item is sold at Coach, but it's cheaper at Nordstrom. So I will have my shop my link. My shop my will be in the description. Now I do earn commission or some little coins from if you guys do shop the link, but shop the link and let me know if y'all got something. This big old box for this little bitty thing. Okay, yeah, I done took my shower and everything, but I had to come and show y'all this. But this is what I picked up. I told y'all another charm, but it's not a charm, but it is a charm because I use these as bag charms, bag decor. But look at that. This is the, what color is this called? Light denim. That's what this is called. So yeah, I have another item coming tomorrow that is from the 527 drop, but it comes tomorrow. It is also one of these, but it's in a cute color. So I will show y'all that one when I'm decorating my Rogue and breaking her down so she can go into the case. But look. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the other one that I have. I have them all up in this box, but look, that blue and that blue. Oh my goodness. And oh, that's what I gotta tell y'all. It's $55 for this color, the red color, which is This is considered bright red. That one, $55. And this one also is on there for $55. All of these are on Nordstrom's for $55. Now, I paid for this one and this one $75 at the Coach store. But why Nordstrom have them $55? Well, we don't know and we don't care, okay? We just want to get them for $55. And this is the one I purchased for $55. So you can get all of them if you want to. But $55, you're saving $20 on each one. So that's savings if you think about it. Let's do some girl math. Okay, girl math time. Are y'all listening? Okay, if you're saving $20 on 3, one of them is almost free. One of them is almost free. Okay? Literally. You're paying for 3, but it's almost like a buy 2, get 1 free. Like, you got to make it make sense. That makes sense to me. So, if I was buying all 3, I would. But I'm going to have the link down below. And that is the items that I had to show y'all. Tomorrow, or the day after tomorrow, we will be doing the bag breakdown so we can go ahead and place this Rogue up inside the case, because I have been contemplating on getting another bag too. That is also on my wish list, has been on the list, and I'm just like, but the Rogue, it has to stay, because the Rogue in my eyes is the Birkin of Coach, okay? I argue with somebody else, don't argue with me. I said what I said. It is the Birkin of Coach. So the Birkin of Coach will be going in the case by the weekend. And we will doll her all up. So, yeah, I said what I said. The Birkin of Coach, okay? But that is it. That is all. I will see y'all on the next video. Let me know down below. Do you like the silks? Do you decorate your bags? Have you bought the extra large tag? I have, and I love it. And I'm happy to finally get it. So, thank you again, Sharon. And I think Sharon told me she got it from, I'm going to tag everybody down below where Sharon got the information from about the tag being in stock at Dillard's, okay? So, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing, hyping me up, hyping me up, hyping me up. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.